Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making granola, homemade granola. Let's get started. So for this we are using all these. The list will be in my description box below. Do check it out. We have some oats. I'm using quick cooking oats and almond nuts, which are cut into tiny pieces, some coconut flakes and grated coconuts, cashew nuts. I'll leave all the list in the description box below. Let's continue. So into my mixing bowl, I'll start by adding the dry ingredients. I have there some oats. I'm using 3 cups of oats, half cup of cashew nuts, half cup of almond nuts, cinnamon powder, half teaspoon, and a half teaspoon of salt. I will not be adding this now because I already toasted the coconuts and the sesame seeds and also some dried fruits and raisins. We'll add that later, so just keep watching. I'll just stir these ones together before adding the wet ingredients. The wet ingredients I'm using is just coconut oil and the honey. I added the 1/4 cup of coconut oil and the half cup of honey. You can use less or more honey if you want. If you want it then we'll mix it together. You can add any dry nuts you want or dry fruit you want. You can also add any flavor you want. You can use vanilla essence or vanilla extract, but I want to leave this at just that cinnamon and coconut flavor because the coconut oil will give us the flavor also. So after that, I'll transfer to my tray and bake for about 20 minutes at 280 degrees Celsius. This is after about 20 minutes in the oven. I set it around 10 minutes of baking because I don't want it to cluster together. But if you want it to cluster together, you add more honey to it and also don't stir it constantly. After stirring and breaking the clusters, I'll then go ahead and add our coconut flakes and the coconut chips, whatever. Just add your coconuts. You can also be shredded coconuts. I'll also add the sesame seed because this is also toasted already. The sesame seed is toasted, or Benny seed as we call it here. Then I'll transfer back to the oven and allow it to bake for about 10 to 15 more minutes. And here we have our granola. When it has cooled down, I will now add my dried raisins and the mixed fruits. I'll stir it together and then store in my airtight container. And enjoy the granola. You can use this for your parfait, your cereals. You can also just add milk to it and drink as your cereal. You can also take it as snack, but if you want more of the snack, then you have to leave it to be clustered, or we make granola bars. That will be coming up later. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please, if you did, give the video a thumbs up by clicking on that like button, and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.